Ladies and gentlemen, I messed up. Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. We are out here, okay? 2020, we are here. I said 2020, Olomaje. 2021, alright, we are here. It's time to release content, to do more on this YouTube thing, man. First off, Happy New Year, low cost beans, man. It's been a minute and I am excited to be putting out content. I'm looking forward to this year, man. This year we go hard, man. Let's do it again. Obviously, if you guys haven't noticed, I've been releasing content on this channel as well as my main channel. Obviously, there's two channels. If you guys can remember, one of them was having a lot of issues and I created a new channel just out of the frustration of that issue. Now we have two channels and I want to separate the content. Basically, this channel will be strictly for reviews and reactions. If there is any this is where you find my reviews and reactions. On the other channel would be other music related content, such as just like describing a music story that and me giving my opinion, a music story that is buzzing, or I have game shows that I've already recorded that I should be editing very soon. Man, there's gonna be a lot. I don't want to spill too much. I want to be able to surprise, but definitely subscribe to that main channel. There's a lot more coming. If you haven't seen, I've uploaded some videos on that channel. I did my top 50 albums of the year, so go check that out. I did honorable mentions as well. I have my top 50 songs coming up very soon. I know, guys, I promised it from that video, but it was New Year's and all of that, but I've always had the list from time. I just need to record the video and get it right to you, okay? But meanwhile, definitely subscribe to both channels. I appreciate you guys making the effort to click twice. I'm never saying it like it's a small thing, but I appreciate you guys subscribing and definitely messing with my content. So yes, let's get right into why we are here. WizKid, okay, featuring Burna, Ginger Me, off the Made in Lagos album. Finally has a video, man. It has a video, and obviously we knew the song. This video was coming. I think there were even clips of it from the YouTube live that WizKid had. I know these two artists are like, I won't say they're prime, yeah, but like they're killing it right now. I won't say it's their prime. Yeah, you can argue. Yeah, you can argue it's kind of another peak for WizKid in his career. But nonetheless, both are thriving off of amazing albums that they put out, very impactful albums that they put out last year. And this video has to be a moment. I'm sorry, like there's just too much prestige with the names that they have at the moment, and it just has to be a moment, you know, visually. It has to be a moment just from like you know what I mean? Like 10 years from now, we're looking back at this video as a moment. Like, trust me, man, as I'm even thinking about it now, I'm even raising the bar even higher for this video, because like it's just what it is. It's WizKid featuring Burna Boy, and the song Bangs too is one of my favorite off of the Made in Lagos album. So yeah, it's like it just has to be a moment, okay? Without any further ado, guys, I've spoken too much already. Let's get right into the video. We've seen this set before, man. It's like colors. The second color stage. If you want make a ginger, give me okay, but don't talk about that WizKid drip real quick. Hey, if you want make a let's talk about this outfit, bro. Okay, first of all, I think this video is going to be a fashion moment. If anything, they're going to be making fashion statements, and I'm not like one of those I'm not like big fashion person, obviously, but I can tell that this is going to be a moment in terms of like drip, in terms of style. Both of them are going to show like their stylists had to come through, and obviously this is one I was even hearing about before I even saw the video. WizKid and that sweater he had, or it's not even a sweater. If you want make a ginger. This apparently this is how this vest, this sweater vest was made. It's interesting, man. It looks like he's doing the gun lean low key, but I'm not mad at it. It's interesting. It's very interesting, but we'll see. Hey, if you want me, I don't know about it now, but I'm thinking about this drip. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I rated. I don't think I rated, guys. Cause on the rips or on the turtleneck, like, why does the turtleneck have to be ripped? Anyway, Sha, let's vibe. Let's vibe. Let's vibe. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, yeah. And I love the set still. It's like, I know we've kind of seen it before. We've kind of seen the set. Like, I know they had another set that drove me crazy. Like, I'm waiting for that set to come up, because this one is not. I'm not like, this is colors, man. We've seen this before. Like, this is not nothing like, you know. It's not anything special so far, you know what I mean? We go there, you there. Hey, okay, I was feeling that one. Let's go. Yeah, this is the set. This is what I was talking about, yes. Let's go. Oh, Burna's drift, like, you can't even touch it. You can't. They bore you. Man. Let's go. Hey, it's crazy to see these two next to each other, man. I just can't help but think, like, there's someone else that's been left out of the conversation, but nonetheless, we're not gonna make it about that person. But it's just like, I know it's gonna be a moment just seeing both of them together, but it's crazy, man. It's crazy. There's a lot deeper. There's a deeper conversation about this, but nonetheless, I don't think we're ready for it today. Ladies and gentlemen, I messed up. As I was vibing and chilling and everything, I cut off my mic basically, and I didn't have a backup mic. I should be having backup mics, man. It's sad because I was reacting to the other half of the video. Trust me, guys, I was reacting my ass off. It's funny because reaction videos like this, there's not much you can like take from them, but I tried my best to like get some talking points out of it, but almost I can't go through that video again. I can't come here and recreate a reaction. Like, it's not the same. Like, it's not like, I can't. Nah, it's definitely, that's a I'm laughing at myself because it's pinning me inside right now, because I lost like maybe like a solid like say 5 minutes or 6 minutes of content here, and it's pinning me shy that this video would have to be cut short. But I'm just gonna say the things that I said in that other video, but it's not gonna bang the same way. It's pinning me. But we move. 2021, I beg, don't come with this kind of energy, man. This is the first video, I beg. Chai, but nonetheless, man, my opinion on it is still fresh in my head. But I'll just say this, man. That video was just vibes. It wasn't much to it, man. There was nothing like, it wasn't memorable. There were no striking images that I could say like, this is a moment that I'm gonna turn back to. I made a reference that like some videos just like strike a moment for me. Maybe it's just nostalgia, but I just remember, like, I had to create nostalgia with a particular music, like, video, you know, like that kind of thing. Funny enough, I have a game show around music videos that I'm gonna be dropping more of, so check out on my main channel, okay? It's called Guess the Video. I already have some up. I have a lot more that I haven't recorded, so there's content on that new channel, so shameless plug. But nonetheless, this video wasn't all that. It wasn't memorable. It was just vibes. It was just like, I guess you can make a good case for, okay, they made some fashion statements, you know, with WizKid and his gun leaning sweater vest, you know. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad, nonetheless. But I was feeling Burna's drip. There was a conversation around screen time. I was hearing about, like, say Burna Boy didn't get enough screen time for this video. But I don't think there's a problem. He's a feature on this, so he came up every time like his hook was playing to some extent. But yeah, I guess I could see why people would think they didn't have enough screen time, because maybe the camera didn't stay on him for a while. Maybe because there were just flashes of him here and there. But nonetheless, I'm not mad at it. It was an okay enough screen time. But yeah, I think those were most of the talking points that I had. But during the video, like I was picking up some tiny little things. You know, that's a little like reaction I can do for a video that is just about vibes. Like there was no storyline, there's nothing compelling. It's just vibes. Like it's just let's just like, you know, just feel ourselves, chill, dance, vibe, everything. It's lit, right? But nonetheless, guys, that's how I feel about this particular one. I said it in the previous time I was recording that I hadn't seen the Jawa video, Davido's Jawa, and I'm literally going to record that after this. Funny enough, I already started recording the Jawa videos. It was when I was recording the Jawa video that I noticed that my mic was off. But nonetheless, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be recording my Jawa video right after this. So it should be coming shortly after Ginger video. So I know a lot of people requested that one, so that's why we're doing it. I had to be honest with you guys. I couldn't go through that video just doing like vibes. Like, fam, it's gonna be dead if I watch it, something I've already watched again. So it's not, yeah, I can't be out here like that. I don't know if other reaction channels would actually do this, because this is paining me. This is paining me. This was good content that I could have given you guys. But nonetheless, thank you for sticking with me because there was not much reaction to be watching here. But please bear with me, forgive me. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully the Jawa video, all my top 50 songs of the year. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the other channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.